Welcome to AI Traders Live, live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. As a brief disclaimer, I'm Richard Miller and I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live show. We'll be focusing on the Euro GBP cross rates Forex currency pair from a 4-hour trading perspective. We're going to look at 4-hour charts, apply the artificial intelligence trading rules to 4 hours. We've got 4 different AI trading strategies that cater for different type time frames, whether you're a swing trade, short-term intraday trader or a position trader. All 4 of these AI strategies will cater for your trading needs. Now, just to recap, the tip of the iceberg explanation of how the AI works is the AI uses genetic algorithm technology to do 10 to the power of 200 different possible combination of Forex indicators and market relationships. So it takes all available technical indicators in the database, tests them with all available settings, and remember, we're only looking for trades that are 65% plus accurate in terms of probability of success. So we're not taking low probability trades at all. Jumping straight into the MetaStock platform, I've got the Fulgent AI engine selected. I did the screen earlier. It took about three minutes to run the screen to find the high probability trades out of the Euro and GBP cross rates pair. These are the pairs we've covered now, screened, and we're going to see which ones are looking for good trade setups. All right, so we've got the Euro USD pair first on a 4-hour chart basis. We can see we've had a beautiful volatility breakout back here on the 19th, so that trade is still long. We're still long the Euro at these levels. And the old highs here would be your profit target as the up and coming resistance zones. So if I can put a line in there, and then these lines here, that's the profit target zone for the current rally. So we've got a 4-hour buy signal. The AI has been in it since 1.167, so healthy profit, tidy profit on the Euro USD pair. We can see the other volatility breakouts there worked out well on the 12th. This one got stopped out. There was a swing trade there that worked out. And if we zoom out a little bit, we can see some of the other trades on the 4-hour volatility breakout there. And then we went short there because it's a currency you can, when the AI says sell, you can go short something. So there's a double trade opportunity in this currency pair. All right, next one is Sterling GBP. Let's take a look at that one, 4-hour chart. Takes a second or so to load. It's quite a lot of data that runs in the background. So here we go. A volatility breakout. We're still long on sterling, and we had a signal there. You can see the AI's brought the stop loss up, so we is still long sterling with a stop loss just here at 1.3715. So fantastic entry level in and around the zone here at 1.3619, and that is still generating a healthy trade. There was a short sell signal there that did very well. That volatility breakout got stopped out, but these other two working quite well. And then that volatility breakout worked quite well, captured most of that move to the upside. So you can see Sterling GBP, fantastic trade there using the AI on the 4-hour chart. Next up is the Euro Yen. A fantastic volatility trade, still long it. We've now got a new trailing stop here just below the 130 zone, and these old highs here would be the upside target for profit taking zone. So let's go and see, put a line in there. If the AI if the software would just load it, there we go. Sorry, if you start toggling, recording and running the AI in the background, then it does get a little bit memory intensive. So these are the upside profit targets for the current rally. We're in here around about at 128 and it's at 130. So fantastic trade profit on the currency there, Euro Yen. Euro AUD, let's go and take a look at that one on a 4-hour basis. We've got volatility breakout here. So there was a quick move there that worked out well. Volatility breakout here worked out well. Quick move there, and we now have volatility breakout with a stop loss, very tight stop loss there. So Euro AUD, we long that as a fresh trade recently came off there. Next up, the the GBP AUD pair, fantastic. We've got a volatility breakout signal, fresh signal here on a 4-hour chart. We can see the last volatility breakout here on the that signal was given on the 7th of July. That worked out beautifully. Fantastic run there in and around the, let me just put a line in there. So that was the signal there. we were in at 1.840, and then the trailing stop got hit, but that was also a kind of a profit taking zone there as soon as the signal comes through, so that we captured that entire move. Fantastic move there. And then there was a quick move here to the upside, and then a short selling opportunity in and around the 1.895 back down to this 1.880. So we captured quite a few points on the GDP AUD trade. So there's a new volatility breakout with a wide stop loss of 1.865 on the AI. So this is kind of how you interpret the results that the AI is giving, with upside targets of these resistance zones as your upside profit targets. So you still have to do some other type of analysis in your, depending on your trading style and your own risk profile. So so to get by. Fantastic swing trade on the GBP CAD position. You've got a very wide stop loss, still in a long. You can see the previous swing trade also captured a nice move there. The volatility breakout captured a nice move there. Almost every other day you've got a trade generated by the AI on a 4-hour chart basis. You can see here back in July that swing trade captured a tremendous nice move from 1.710 all the way up to 1.73910. So a fantastic trade on the GBP CAD pair so far. The AI is in a swing trade long on the GBP CAD. Next up is GBP Yen. You can also see we had a couple of really nice swing trades here, and there was even a short sell there, another swing trade there. So we're still in a long position here, depending whether you took that stop loss there or not. But we're still in a trade here with these old highs as the upside resistance targets for the current trade. So it will be interesting to see you trending higher on a swing trade basis using the AI. The GBP Euro is also given a few really great trade. Yeah, back on the 19th, we had a volatility breakout there that lasted very nicely. And eventually, depending on your profit target, there were plenty of opportunities to cash out on this one as it reached these old highs there, broke through that, and then sliced back down into support there. But the AI took the position out at that level. And then a quick volatility breakout, then another one, a short selling opportunity, and then two volatility breakouts. And it's still now technically a volatility breakout along with a trailing stop at that level, just 1.16 just underneath there. We'll see if it's going to be hitting that trailing stop today. But so far so good. GBP Euro, plenty of high probability trades using AI on this currency pair. Next up, Euro CAD. You can see plenty of high probability trades. Swing trade there, swing trade there, swing trade there. That got stopped out. Short trade there. Long volatility breakout up until that level. Short down to the volatility breakout. Quick move there. Quick move to the upside downside. Quick move there. And now a new volatility breakout with a stop loss at 1.480. That zone. So the AI is fresh into a new trade on the 4-hour chart in September, and then the targets would be these old highs. That would be the upside resistance targets for this particular trade on the 4-hour chart basis. You put that line in there. So these old highs, yeah, these are the upside profit target for the current volatility trade in the Euro CAD pair. So we've covered most of the currency pairs I'd like to discuss. Just a brief reminder, we're only looking for high probability trades, and that means that the AI, in terms of the training we've done on the AI, these 4 AI strategies, here are the trading statistics: 77% accuracy, 69% accuracy for swing trade, major market reversal 77, average profit per trade 4.8%. This is all on 4-hour time frame, okay? Swing trade 69%, volatility breakout on average 55% accurate with 1% average profit per trade, and a quick move 62% accurate with 0.5%. Remember, the quick trade, you're only in for 2 or 3, technically 3 bars really. That's what the AI does. It's a 3-bar trade basically. So you can see the AI is only focusing on high probability trade, both long and short. For the purpose of the currency trading. But we have retrained this AI on a tremendous amount of data for the 4-hour time frame. So 10,000, I think it was 10,000 4-hour minutes. So the AI has now been trained to look for high probability signals on those time frames. So there are periods where your currency trade would not necessarily give a signal because there aren't high probability signals. We're looking for high probability signals, and we'd ideally like to trade less, but trade only high probability trades. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of one deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of one deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, the side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got two options for the buy 3 months for the price of one deal on MetaStock platform. So yeah, this is a review of the latest AI artificial intelligence generated trade ideas out of the euro and sterling currency pairs on a 4-hour time frame. Join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Until next time, happy AI trading. Bye for now.